This is AISOS, an artificial intelligence-based solution to humanitarian crises, which aims to make aid efforts operate more efficiently. In the midst of a crisis, humanitarian aid can often be inefficient, ineffective, and disorganized. This occurs due to a lack of communication between survivors and responders, as well as a lack of aid skills.
Discover AISOS, your AI-powered assistant for rapid response and peace of mind. When emergencies strike, AISOS connects you swiftly to the rescue teams, utilizing AI for lightning-fast response times. It's not just a lifeline, it's your trusted health advisor too, providing accurate information at your request. Plus, AISOS can even guide you to the nearest services, all through a simple chat. Elevate your well-being with our innovative and AI-driven solution. In the event of a disaster, all devices with a cell signal in the proximity will be sent an emergency alert via SMS or online messaging platforms. These devices are located using WEA, Wireless Emergency Alert 3.0 technologies. Here's an example of the alert that is sent by AISOS. The user can respond via text, voice, or image, and it will be received by our managers. The chatbot then provides scenario-based advice tailored to the user's needs, adding an extra layer of support. Using a multifaceted approach, including GPS, cellular tower data, and user-submitted information, AISOS automatically relays the survivor's precise location to our managers. Moreover, AISOS will provide real-time updates on the situation and guided survivors on how to find and access safe shelters, medical facilities, and pharmacies.
The first responders, such as firemen and police officers, will see locations in their proximity where their aid is required and will be able to see an overview of the victim's injuries thanks to the AI abstracting the WhatsApp chatbot's conversation. The AI will also draft an action plan for the first responders and inform them of the equipment they will need, optimizing the firemen's work for when they arrive onto the scene. The civilian volunteers will be tasked with the delivery of medical supplies and other important but non-dangerous duties. However, if they find a person that's in need of assistance, they can use the AI to figure out the best course of action to follow. The AI itself used by the app can be an adaptation of the GPT for all, which can work completely offline, has a size of only 4 gigabytes, is extremely customizable, and can be specifically trained for such emergency scenarios.
Dispatchers will see a web-based dashboard with a map showing survivors and first responders as red and blue dots. Clicking a dot will show messages from the survivor or the first responder's details and current task. Using this info, they can dispatch first responders to survivors based on their distance and injury. There will also be a sidebar which shows statistics such as deaths and injuries. The dashboard can also show different elements on the map, such as a heat map of casualties, hazardous areas, and the location of resources like food and equipment.
Used by nearly 2.8 billion users spread across 180 countries, WhatsApp will ensure the widespread adoption of this service. Easy, straightforward access to emergency assistance through text and voice notes offers better, faster treatment strategies and ensures more lives will be saved. Pharmacy locations are mapped with survivor and dispatcher data, allowing for efficient prioritization of rescue efforts. IFRC Go's real-time disaster info and instant replies will enable reliable coordination for first responders. AI is essential for AISOS with 3 key criteria: natural language processing using BERT for understanding messages, geospatial analysis via GIS tools for location and mapping, and API integration for real-time emergency data.
In conclusion, AISOS stands as a beacon of innovation in disaster response, combining cutting-edge technology with user centricity for survivors, first responders, and dispatchers. Our system ensures rapid alerts, precise location determination, and AI-driven support.